Hello guys, I'm showing you a flat which is of 2 bedroom, which is located in central part of Hyderabad. That is Premnagar, Erragadda, which is nearby to schools. Uh, this is a 2 bedroom flat. Here you're seeing the hall, which has got an arc as well. This apartment was constructed in the year 2008 and it was handed over in the year 2009, which is close to 13 years old. This is of 840 SFT and 21 UDS land share has been allocated for this flat. And you will see the child bedroom, which has good ventilation and good storage space as well. There is a puja room as well, as you see. And here is kitchen, which has got good cupboards. And here is master bedroom. The advantage of the flat is it has good water supply and which is in the central part of Hyderabad, and it is very commutable and 3 minutes away from metro station, and there is a bus stop as well. Here is a washroom, attached washroom for the for the bedroom. As I told you, it's very commutable place, and any place, any part of Hyderabad you want to travel, you can quickly travel. That is a clear-cut advantage. Here is the balcony, and there is a attached washroom for the balcony. And thank you guys.